What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, family? Listen, folks, if this is your first time at the Credit Cousin YouTube channel, post a comment saying you're new here. But family, what if you wake up and you start checking Credit Karma or FICO or whatever, and you see this? What's your first thought? A 4. Now, I've heard the lowest you can go is 300, but a 4? But I had a client that came to me last week. They had this, a 57, family. Is it because of FICO 10T? I don't know. But this client, they had inherited some money, and this clip goes with it.
$100,000 inheritance, and you want to spend it on a BMW i8?
Yep. The video was 28.9% interest rate. Very high.
Yes, 29% is a high interest rate. But what's the lowest credit score you have seen? Check this out.
330, and it was my own family.
What is the lowest credit score you've ever seen?
420, dude.
What is the lowest credit score you've ever seen?
350. JP was working the deal. He pulled the customer's credit was locked to protect it, unlocked the credit, and it was a 350. Older gentleman, so he had a long time of not paying his bills.
What is the lowest credit score you've ever seen?
The lowest I've seen pretty crazy was a 350. I think that's the absolute bottom line score you can get. Pretty crazy.
What is the lowest credit score you've ever seen?
381, 2 repos, and she actually got approved. She didn't take the car, but she got approved.
What is the lowest credit score you've ever seen?
It was a 380.
What is the lowest credit score you've ever seen?
393, family. But family, I'm moving too fast. I want to send a big shout out to our channel, the members of our channel. Big shout out to you all. Sometimes, family, I get the speedballing in my head. But big shout outs to JP for Blueprint for Prosperity and PNR Connected, man. Big shout outs to you, bro. Bro, I appreciate you sending me an email asking me, am I okay? I appreciate that. But we're going to keep the show rolling. Now, imagine you got an old beat up BMW. I mean, hail damage. It's dusty, it's crusty, it needs tires, and you thinking about trading it in. Check this out.
This the one you like?
Yes, sir.
This is a 2024 GX550. Yeah.
That's exactly what I want.
What's your budget?
Budget, I was looking to be like $500 a month.
On this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much money you got there?
We got about $5,000. Hopefully my trade some equity in.
How much you want to spend on a vehicle like that?
Like 30, 40.
This is a 2024, about 400 miles on it. This is about 90,000. Let me show you something else.
Give me $500 a month on this one?
500?
Yeah.
A week?
I want like $500 a month.
We got to go in and look.
Listen, family, sometimes we really have to be practical. Any model vehicle from 2024 to 2026, it's $50,000 plus dollars. Now, me, I'm into old schools. I'm into older vehicles. Not really trying to make no monthly payments. I haven't had a monthly payment, family, for probably 15 years now. So you think about it.
Get your credit, see what we can get you for your car.
Chris, good.
I know it. They all tell me that. But we're going to look at it. You want to trade this in?
Yes, sir, I do.
What year is that?
It's like a 2008 3 Series.
Is it paid for?
Nah, I still owe about like $10,000.
Now, family, look at the dent in the fender. This is what I'm talking about. It's a dusty BMW that needs a lot of repairs. And he's hoping to get $5,000 for this trade-in. Ain't going to happen.
10,000. How many miles on it?
Yeah, 150.
Come on over here. Let's see. We'll look at some numbers and see what we can do. All right, James.
Yes,
I
sir.
done ran your credit, man.
I look at 800 score, right?
No, sir. You decent. You a 616. And we
I
got
was 800.
No, who told you that? You was on Credit Karma?
Yeah.
Stay off of that. They don't use FICO 8. We use FICO 8 when you're looking for a vehicle.
Now, family, I want to stop it right here. When this gentleman, this salesman, would have told me he used FICO 8, right? The first thing I would have did is told him, okay, give me a couple of days to think about it. You know why? Because on FICO 8, I can go and fix some stuff. You know what I mean? I could actually add a authorized user on my credit. So when I go back, now I can get a lower interest rate because I done padded my file. I done strengthened my file. But most people don't know this stuff. This is why the credit cousin is here. All he would have had to do is just told the gentleman, you know what? Give me about 30 days. I'd have added me an AU, then I'd have showed back up. Or you go to the financial institution where your direct deposit goes. If that's Navy Federal, if that's DCU, if that's PN Fed, and get your financing through them to get a lower rate and have a lower monthly payment. But let's keep the video going.
So at 616, you say you got 5K down?
Yes, sir.
We did an appraisal on your BMW and you owe 10,000. We can only give you 2,200 for it.
You can't do 5?
We can go up to 25, but we definitely can't do 5, sir. It's got 163,000 miles on it. It's beat up. It's got hail damage, glass broke, and the tires are bald.
So what are monthly payments looking like that?
Okay, your $8,000 flip, but you got 5,000 down, right?
Yes, sir.
So we're going to put that 3,000 on to that. There's no way I can get you 500, sir. Not on that. But I can get you done. It's just not going to be on this vehicle. That's a $90,000 vehicle. You looking at a...
Now listen, family. One of the options this gentleman has, he could possibly sell this vehicle to his homeboy for that $5,000. I'm pretty sure he has a friend that will be interested in his BMW. Now he will have no negative equity. Remember, when you have negative equity, so let's say you owe $10,000, you sell this car for $5,000. He still got $5,000 worth of negative equity. Plus, he was putting down $5,000. So negative equity now, 0. This is how you play this car game, family. Most people don't know this stuff. They just go into these dealerships and say, oh, the Lord gonna make a way somehow. Honestly, family, what wind up happening is because you don't know what you don't know, you get taken advantage of. Yes, you. And then after you leave the dealership, you would possibly say the Lord made a way. When they done roll that negative equity over into the new car, Lord didn't make no way. That salesman or that finance person, he made a way by moving the numbers around, family, shifting the numbers. This is why many Americans right now to this day are upside down at least $5,000. But let's keep the show going.
Minimum $2,000 payment with your situation. I understand you got to have a Lexus. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I got the next best thing. I got a Toyota. Okay. So 2019 RAV4. We looking at $690 a month.
I can offer in that car?
Did you offer that BMW?
No.
It's your car. You can do what you want to do with it.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't prefer you to off-road in it.
Let's go take it for a test drive then.
You'd like to move forward?
Now listen, family. For this guy to say, can he off-road in this vehicle? He wouldn't have took that Lexus off-road. That Lexus is a luxury vehicle. You baby them. You know what I'm saying? But listen, family, what I'm going to need y'all to do, post your comments. Post your comments. Tell me what you think about the video. Okay? Let's keep it moving.
Vehicle, man.
Definitely. I need to get you out that BMW. It don't look safe for your family. So I'll tell you what, we'll get this paperwork started, get it closed out. 668 is comfortable for you?
Yes, sir.
All right. You got full coverage insurance?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to have to verify that. All right. Once we verify that, I'll get you over to finance. Make sure you give me another review. I appreciate you.
Listen, I like this guy. You're supposed to trust. I trust what you're saying, but I'm going to verify your documentation. You know what I'm saying? But listen, family, I don't want to make this video too long, but I'd like to thank you for taking the time for watching the Credit Cousin YouTube channel. All we doing over here, family, is trying to empower everyone who watches this channel. Now, also, if you have any credit questions, you could email me at thecreditcousin@gmail.com. I'll email you back and answer your question. And if you want to come on live, send me an email. We can do that too. Okay, family? Until my next episode, you be blessed.